So, good morning. Moving ahead with an example, simplify. First one, what we 14 raised to 5 multiplied by a raised to 8, b raised to 3 upon 28 multiplied by a raised to 5, b raised to 2. Sure. Now here already I have told you that cancellation is not allowed, right? So try to search something common. Can you see something common? Right? Right now મને એવું કંઈક દેખાતું નથી ન્યુમરેટર માં as well as in denominators માં भी મને કોઈ common દેખાતું નથી. But there is one or two numbers that are composite. So first we have to convert into prime. So first number 14. 2 7s are 7 1s are. So 14 can be written in the form of 2 multiplied by 7. Similarly 28. So 2 14s are 2 7s are 7 1s are. Right? So try to replace. So that is equal to. Now these 14 can be written as 2 multiplied by 7. Is it so? 14 can be written as 2 multiplied by 7 raised to 5. બરાબર પાવર બોલવાનું નથી. Raised to 5 multiplied by a raised to 8. See here કોઈ sign નથી. Right? And AB are taken together. So it is one form of multiplication. એ કયું form છે? Multiplication. So I can separate it out. Multiply by b raised to 3 upon this 28 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 raised to nothing is there, so 1. Got it? Yes. Multiplied by a raised to 5 multiplied by b raised to 2. So that is equal to power of product. Barabar? So we have to distribute 5 to both the numbers. So it will be 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 7 raised to 5 multiplied by a raised to 8
multiplied by b raised to 3
upon. Now here you can see that raised to 1 is there. So 2 raised to 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 1. How many times 2? 2 times. 2 times 2. So it will be 2 raised to 2. Idea આવે છે? Multiplied by 7 raised to 1 multiplied by a raised to 5 multiplied by b raised to 2. Right? Sure. Now what to do? હવે શું કરશું? Right? Try to search common in numerator. Is there anything common?
No.
Over here?
No.
Upside down?
Yes.
Try to solve that. So that is equal to 2 raised to 5 is bigger. So 5 minus 2 multiplied by again 5 is bigger. Raised to 5 minus 1 multiplied by again 8 is bigger. A raised to 8 minus 5 multiplied by b raised to 3 minus 2. समझ पड़े?
Yes.
So that is equal to बोलो
2
2 raised to 3 multiplied by 7 raised to 4 multiplied by a raised to 3 multiplied by
b raised to 1.
that's it. समझ पड़ी? क्लियर થયું? કેવી રીતે સોલ્વ આઉટ કરવાનું છે? સ્ટેપ બાય સ્ટેપ જાઓ. કઈ ભૂલ પડશે નહીં. Now here you can see that all the numbers are composing. But that numbers mane composite dekhai chhe. So first thing what I am going to do, I am going to draw out the factors. The first factors of 12. 2,
6,
2,
3,
3, 1. Then factors of 9. 3, 3, 3, 1. Factors of 4. 2, 2, 2, 1. बराबर 4. Factors of 6. 2, 3, 3, 1. Factors of 8. 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, and 2, 1. Then factors of 27. 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. બધા factors drawn out થઈ ગયા. Now try to replace that thing. So that is equal to, now instead of 12 what I am going to use, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 is repeating how many times? 2 times. So that is 2 square multiplied by 3. Is it so? Can I do like this? Yes, we can. Because 2 is repeating how many times? 2 times. So 2 square multiplied by 3. Whole raised to 4. Power तो बोलवानो જ नहीं. Whole raised to 4. चलो. Multiplied by. Now this 9 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3. But how many times 3 is repeating? 2 times. So that is 3 square whole raised to 3 multiplied by 4 can be written as 2 square upon. चलो आइडिया आयो पहला स्टेप में શું કર્યું છે તે? Second one. Now 6. So 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube. So 2 raised to 3 whole raised to 2 multiplied by 27. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube. चलो क्लियर થઈ ગયું. એટલે આપણે એક સ્ટેપ રિડ્યુસ કરતા ગયા. Now apply whatever law you can at a time. But that law આપણે apply કરવાના છે. So in the first one I am going to apply law of product. Right? Means what? These 4 I have to distribute with both the numbers. So 2 raised to 4 2s are 8 multiplied by 3 raised to 1 4s are 4 multiplied by 3 raised to 2 3s are 6 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 upon. Same procedure over here. 2 raised to 1 3s are 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 1 3s are 3 multiplied by 2 raised to 6 multiplied by 3 raised to 3. So that is equal to, is that something common in numerator? Yes. Yes, there is something common. So 2 raised to 8 plus 2 in numerator multiplied by 3 raised to
4 plus 6
upon 2 raised to 3 plus 6 multiplied by 3 raised to
3 plus 3.
So that is equal to 2 raised to 10 multiplied by 3 raised to 10 upon 2 raised to 9 multiplied are 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. So that is equal to 2 into the 162. That will be your simplest or evaluated form. समझ पड़े? Question evaluate हो तो यहाँ सुधी तमारे करवाना means you have to find the value or simplify तो you can leave it over here. समझ पड़े? Fine. Next example. 25 multiplied by 5 raised to 2 multiplied by x raised to 8 upon 10 raised to 3 multiplied by x raised to 4. Again, searching for composite number. Is there any composite number? Yes. So find the factors for that. The first one, 25. 5 5s are 5 1s are. And another is 10. 5s are and 5 1s are. So replacing all the values. So that is equal to this 25 can be written as 5 square multiplied by 5 square multiplied by x raised to 8 upon this 10 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 3 multiplied by x raised to 4. So that is equal to at a time જેટલા બી લવા એટલા કરી લેમ છું પછી મારો એટલું રિડ્યુસ થઈ જાય. So 5 raised to 2 plus 2 because 5 is common in numerator. So 5 raised to 2 plus 2 multiplied by x raised to 8 upon distributing 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 5 raised to 3 multiplied by x raised to 4. What is 5 raised to 2?
5 raised to 4
multiplied by
x raised to 8
upon
2 raised to 3 multiplied by 5 raised to 3 multiplied by x raised to 4.
Sure. So now searching common in upside down. So what is common? 5. So 5 raised to 4 minus 3 multiplied by x raised to 8 minus 4 upon 2 raised to 3 as it is. નથી તો એની પોઝિશન જ્યાં છે ત્યાં મૂકી દેવાની. એની પોઝિશન ક્યાં છે? ડિનોમિનેટરમાં કલેક્ટિવલી લીધું. So that is equal to 5 raised to 1 multiplied by x raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 3. 2 2s are 4 2s are
8.
So that is equal to 5 x raised to 4 upon 8. This is the simplest form. બરાબર હવે વચ્ચે મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન નહીં લખે તો ચાલે. So that will be 5x upon 5x raised to 4 upon 8. બરાબર. Okay, searching for composite number. Check composite number.
Yes.
So what about 10? 2
2
5s are 5 1s are. What about 25? 5 5s are 5 1s are. What about 6? 2 3s are 3 1s are. बराबर बटे जो वैल्यू रिप्लेस करो. चलो that is equal to 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 10 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 5 multiplied by 25 can be written as 5 square upon 5 raised to 7 as it is multiplied by 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 5. So that is equal to 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 5 raised to 5. Applying log product inside the bracket multiply by 5 is to 2 upon 5 is to 7 multiply by 2 raised to 5 multiply by 3 raised to 5. So is there something common in numerator? Yes. तो इन्हें add up कर दो. So 3 raised to 5 multiply by 2 raised to 5 multiply by 5 raised to 7. Again ना? Right then? 5 plus 2 that is 7 upon 5 raised to 7 multiplied by 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 5. We can't cancel. બરાબર કેન્સલ થશે નહીં. મને ખબર છે તમે કેન્સલ કરશો એટલે હું હાફ માર્ક્સ ત્યાં જ ઉડાડી દઉં. કેન્સલ કરવાનું નથી. આ 5th કે 6th ટાઈમ હું તમને કહું છું. Right? So that is 3 raised to 5 minus 5 multiplied by 2 raised to 5 minus 5 multiplied by 5 raised to 7 minus 7 because you can see that they are common. So that is 3 raised to 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 0 multiplied by 5 raised to 0. So 1 into 1 into 1. So that will be 1. समझ पड़ी. हजू भी क्या हूँ कैंसल करवानो. Got it? चलो now next pattern. I think so most probably एक final હશે simplified forms માં. Right? પછી વસ્તુ બાકી છે તે આપણે ગઈકાલે આવતીકાલે જોઈ લેશું. શું કરવાનું. Now here find the value of x if the conditions are given to you accordingly. Right? So in the first sum 2 raised to 5x divided by 2 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to 4. What we have to do? We have to simply use the log. જ્યાં log applicable છે ત્યાં log apply કરવાના. ભલે પાવર જે હોય તે. Got it? Now here you can see that base are same and it contains division sign. Right? So it is a law of division. And what does the law of division says that? That is 2 raised to, we have to subtract the power. We have to subtract the power is equal to 2 raised to 4. Right? Step by step which implies 2 raised to 5x minus x 4x 5 greater છે એટલે plus 4x is equal to 2 raised to 4. Now we have to equate left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side અને right hand side ને equate કરો. Equate is equal to sign છે. એનો meaning શું? Left hand side is same as right hand side. બરાબર? Now if base are same, જો base same છે વચ્ચે equal to નું sign છે એનો meaning શું? પાવર બી કેવો છે? સેમ છે. સમજ પડે છે શું કહું છું તે? equal to sign છે base same છે એનો meaning power be same. That is what we can say that 4x is same as 4. Same base implies same power. Why? Because of equal to sign. Equal to sign છે એટલે જો base same હોય એનો meaning power બી કેવો થઈ જવાનો? Same થઈ જવાનો. Got it? Equation form દેખ્યું. Now we are very familiar how to find value of x. So which implies x is equal to 4 upon 4. અહીંયા multiplication માં છે બીજી side division. 4 4 cancel which implies x is equal to 1. Value replace કરો 5 1 5. અહીંયા 1 5 minus 1 4. સમજ પડે છે? Right? means what?
Power.
Powers are same. So 2x is equal to 12, which implies x is equal to 12 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 6 are, which implies x is equal to
6.
x ની વેલ્યુ શું આવી 6. ચેક કરી લો 2 6 આ ચેક કરતું જ જવાનું મૂકીને બરાબર. ચાલો અગેન bases are same, multiplication sign is there, add the power. So 2 upon 3 whole raised to 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 upon 3 raised to n minus 2. Chalo again, equal to sign, base are same, that is powers are same, that is 3 plus 5 is same as n minus 2. What is 3 plus 5?
8.
Is equal to
n minus 2.
chalo and 2 ne le aao
Minus
8 plus 2 is equal to n, બીજી બાજુ પ્લસ થઈ જશે, which imply n is equal to 10. n ની વેલ્યુ શું આવે 10. 10 minus 2 5 plus 3 ઇક્વેટ કરતું ગયું. સમજ પડે છે શું કરતો છે? ખાલી લો એપ્લાય કરતો છે ને પાવર ને ઇક્વેટ કરતો છે એટલે મને મારી વેલ્યુ મળી જશે. અહીંયા x લખવાનું. ચાલો 1. ચાલો here law of power. So 3 raised to 4x is equal to 3 raised to 12, which implies base are
same.
so powers are also
Same.
so 4x is equal to
12.
x is equal to
12
12 ones are 12, 4 ones are 4, 3s are x is equal to સમજ પડી? એકદમ સ્ટ્રેટ ફોરવર્ડ છે.